Welcome back, everyone, to the Deep Dive. Today, we're really getting into something fascinating. A platform called Alirada is being described as, well, a multi-sector AGI-enabled platform.
Sure.
Quite a mouthful.
It is, yeah. Definitely ambitious.
So our mission today is basically to figure out how it plans to be this connective tissue, across devices, industries, even different ways of creating things digital and physical.
That's the core idea. It's a big vision trying to reshape how innovation happens, really.
Absolutely. So, okay, let's try and unpack this. How does Alirada actually work? What's this blend of like generative AI and these collaborative marketplaces all about? Let's start with the digital side.
Right. So the heart of the digital part is what they call the AGI Functionality Hub.
AGI Functionality Hub.
Yeah, and think
Right.
AGI here not as, full sci-fi consciousness, but more like highly adaptable AI tool.
Got it. Adaptable AI.
Exactly. So this hub is where developers can publish their AI-powered functions. And these cover a huge range, generating code, making realistic images, videos, even what they term humanized interaction. So AI generating content or responding in ways that feel, well, more natural, like a person.
Interesting. So developers just upload these functions?
Pretty much. They can tag them for compatibility, say what systems they work with. They add instructions, videos.
Right. Make it easy to use.
Yeah, and offer trials. Then monetization usually happens through subscriptions. It creates this sort of marketplace for AI tools themselves.
So it's more than just selling an app. It's like building blocks.
Kind of, yeah. And it gets more interesting with something they call adaptive partnerships.
Adaptive partnerships.
Yeah.
Okay, what's that about? Sounds unique.
It is. Developers can form these binding function sharing contracts.
Binding. So formal agreements.
Exactly. It's not just informal sharing. They formally link different AI functions together. So maybe one function is good at analysis, another at visualization.
Ah, so they combine strengths.
Precisely. And the binding part means it creates a new enhanced capability, and really importantly, it traces who contributed what. So credit is clear.
Okay, that encourages collaboration, but also protects creators.
Right. It fosters this sort of modular approach, build complex AI from smaller expert pieces, and you, as someone using the platform, can browse, subscribe, report issues. There's quality control built in.
That's a powerful setup for the digital world. But okay, here's where my mind really started buzzing. It's not just digital creations, right? There's this whole other side for the physical world.
That's the other shoe dropping, yeah. It's pretty ambitious. They have the physical engineering marketplace.
A parallel universe almost.
Kind of. It's specifically for hardware engineers, craftspeople, product designers, people making tangible things.
Okay, so what they publish instead of AI functions? Blueprints.
They publish build guides. And these are super comprehensive. Think guides for building, well, almost anything physical. Custom chips, maybe, or furniture like cabinets, even parts for cars or smart home gadgets, you name it.
And these guides, are they detailed? Like, could I build something?
Oh, they're meant to be incredibly detailed. Step-by-step assembly instructions, precise measurements, lists of materials, the tools you need, estimated costs, even where to source the components, plus lots of visuals, pictures, videos for each step.
Okay, that's serious detail. So what can you do with these?
Well, you as a client could buy a guide and build it yourself if you're handy.
Right.
Or you could hire the engineers who publish the guide directly through the platform, or even just buy the finished product from them sometimes.
Flexible. And the engineers set their own terms.
Yeah, they define where they offer services, their pricing. It builds this global network for physical creation.
And does it stop at just the main product?
No, that's another interesting layer. It extends to what they call supporting domains. So imagine needing a sustainable packaging design for your product.
Okay.
Or maybe a small farm needs plans for a specialized agricultural tool, or finding suppliers for raw materials, help with network tech. It tries to cover the whole creation pipeline.
So, putting it all together, what's the grand vision here? It feels like Alirada wants to be this one-stop shop for making almost anything.
I think that's a good way to put it. They want to be that connective tissue to, smooth out the process of co-creation, whether you're writing code or building a chair.
Bridging digital and physical.
Exactly. Making the jump from idea to actual thing much easier. And they support it with practical stuff, too, like unified billing. One subscription potentially covers tools from both marketplaces.
Simplifies things.
And quality control is key. User reports, admin oversight. They need to ensure the AI functions work and the build guides are accurate and safe. Trust is crucial.
This really does make you reconsider how collaboration could work in the future, doesn't it? Just the potential scale of it.
It absolutely does. And, if we zoom out a bit, it raises a pretty big question, I think.
Right. What's it?
Could a platform like this fundamentally change how innovation scales? Not just inside big companies, but across this huge global network of independent creators, engineers, blurring those lines between a concept on a screen and something you can actually hold.
That's definitely something to chew on. A truly interconnected future for creation. Well, thanks for exploring Alirada with us today. Lots to think about there.